Hello friends, today we have to discuss about example of uniform distribution. First example is suppose that x is a uniformly distributed over minus infinity to plus infinity where alpha is greater than 0. Minus alpha to plus alpha where alpha is greater than 0. Find alpha so that probability of x greater than 1 equal to 1 upon 3. Hence find mean and variance of x. Okay. In solution we have to write down given term. We have x follows uniform with parameter minus alpha to plus alpha. F of x is equal to what? 1 upon 2 अल्फ़ा. 1 अपॉन 2 अल्फ़ा कैसा आया? यूनिफॉर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का पीडीएफ क्या है? 1 अपॉन बी माइनस सी. ही इधर ए क्या है? रेंज ए टू बी रहता है यूनिफॉर्म का. ओके, तो ए क्या रहेगा? माइनस अल्फ़ा एंड बी क्या रहेगा? अल्फ़ा. दैट मीन्स 1 अपॉन बी माइनस सी. दैट मीन्स 1 अपॉन अल्फ़ा minus into bracket minus alpha. That means 1 upon 2 alpha. Okay, and range is a minus alpha less than x less than alpha and alpha greater than 0. Since probability of x is greater than 1 equal to 1 upon 3. This is a given term. Okay, we have integration of f of x dx equal to 1 upon 3. This is a basic formula. Okay, range is here x is greater than 1. That means 1 upon 1 to alpha. Okay, f of x is what? PDF of this example 1 upon 2 alpha. That means f of x is a 1 upon 2 alpha into dx equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, alpha is a constant terms. That's why this is a integration के बाहर रखा 1 upon 2 alpha and in integration of dx that means x and range is a 1 to alpha equal to 1 upon 3. 1 upon 2 alpha into x की range क्या है? 1 to alpha. That means put the values that means alpha minus 1 that is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, here alpha minus 1 as it is 1 upon 2 alpha denominator का part इधर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई हुआ. that means 2 alpha upon 3. Okay, 3 into bracket alpha minus 1 that means 3 alpha minus 3 equal to 2 alpha. 3 alpha minus 2 alpha equal to 3. Okay, plus 2 alpha इधर minus 2 alpha हुआ. 3 alpha minus 2 alpha is a plus 1 alpha that is equal to 3. That means alpha की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 3 आ गई. Okay, now find mean and variance. Firstly, f of x is equal to 1 upon 2 alpha. This is a PDF. Put the value of alpha is a 3. That means f of x is equal to 1 upon 2 into 3 that is equal to 1 upon 6. This is a PDF. Okay, 1 upon 6. We know that expectation of x is equal to b plus a upon 2. This is a mean of uniform distribution and this is a variance of uniform distribution. Okay, put the values a and b. Okay, what is the a? अल्फा क्या आ गया है? अल्फा आ गया है 3. दैट मीन्स माइनस अल्फा प्लस अल्फा. माइनस अल्फा 3 प्लस अल्फा 3. a is a minus alpha and b is a plus alpha. That's why 3 plus minus 3 upon 2 equal to 0. This is the expectation of x and variance of x is equal to put this value and variance of x is a 3.